Dear students, welcome. In chapter 8, Mathematics NCERT Introduction to Trigonometry in MCQ series, here we discuss about the 10 MCQs with the 4 options. You have to find out the correct options and write down in the plain paper, and end of this video you have to verify your answers, it is correct or not. Okay, so let's start with the questions number 1 of MCQ. You just ready with your plain paper and pen. Here is your first questions. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. You have to find out the value of 10C is. Okay, so here your option is 12 by 7, 24 by 7, 20 by 7 or 7 by 24. So you have to calculate in a rough page and find out the correct options and write down in the plain paper in against the question number 1, either A, B, C or D. Okay. So next question number 2, here is the sin 30 plus cos 30 cos 60 minus sin 60 plus cos 30 is equal to. You have to find out the value is 0 or 1 plus 2 root 3 or 1 minus root 3 or 1 plus root 3. So you calculate and find out the correct options, either A, B, C or D, and write down. Okay, now move on to the question number 3. Here is the question 3. The value of tan 60 by cot 30 is equal to. You have to just simplify the values of tan 60 by cot 30 in a rough paper. You have to just calculate and compare with the options, either is 0, 1, 2 or 3. If you are knowing the value of tan 60 and cot 30, you will easily identify the correct option, either A, B, C or D. Write down in your papers of the correct options. Now move on to question number 4. Here is the question 4. 1 minus cos square A is equal to. You have to find out after the solve this 1 minus cos square A is sin square A, is tan square A, or 1 minus sin square A or sec square A. So it I think is easy to find out. Just you calculate fast in a page and find out the what was the correct option, A, B, C or D. Okay, now next question number 5. The question number 5 is sin 90 minus A and cos AR. So these two given, you will find out it's different, it's same, not related or none of the above. For the general properties or general awareness, you have to find out this correct option very quickly, either A, B, C or D. Now write down the correct options. Now move on the question number 6. Here is the question 6. If cos x is equal to 2 by 3, then tan x is equal to. You have to find out the value of tan x if the cos x is equal to 2 by 3. Is 5 by 2, is root 5 by 2 or root 5 by 2 once again, and 2 by root 5. So you have to find out the correct options, A, B, C, D, which one is the correct. Okay. Now question 7. If cos x is equal to A by B, then sin x is equal to, here is the option, B square minus A square by B, B minus A by B, C root B square minus A square by B or root B minus A by B. Okay, so you find out the value of sin x and write down the correct options, either A, B, C or D. Now move on, question number 8. Here is the question 8. The value of sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 is. You have to find out the value, is 0, is 1, is 2 or 4. So it's very simple. You just have to find insert the value of 60 30 of the sin cos and find out the what was the result, and find out the correct option, A, B, C or D. Okay, now move on the question number 9. Here is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. you have to just simplify and insert the value and find out the what was the result. It's sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 or sin 30. So in rough paper you have to just calculate and find out what was the correct option, either A, B, C or D. Now move on the last questions. Question number 10. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A is true when A is, you have to find out the value of A which satisfied the sin 2A by 2 sin A is true. 30 degree, 45 degree, 0 degree or 60 degree. So you just put the value of A and find out the what was the correct options, A, B, C or D. Okay, so dear students, you all write the 10 of correct options in a plain paper. You have to just verify with the next slide's correct options. Here is the correct questions. Those who are written in a question number 7 B, so this B and C is the same option, so here you can consider also the B. Okay, so 7 is either B or C, both are the correct. Okay, so this is our all 10 questions MCQ. Thank you very much.